The scythe of quakes, the nunchucks of lightning, the shurikens of ice, and the sword of fire. You four are the chosen ones.